This is a slant bed CNC turret machine tool, shown in the video after the workpiece is clamped for the second time. This machine tool uses a high-low linear guide structure, which ensures higher machine rigidity, reduces deformation and vibration during machining, and guarantees high precision machining results and dimensional consistency. It has good stability, slow accuracy decay after long-term use, longer maintenance cycles, and is suitable for high-intensity continuous operation. The CNC machine tool can perform end face turning, positioning drilling, thread turning, and internal wall finish turning.